Dahil ayan, Cagayan de Oro City. Ooh. It's very, very relaxing and very, very cold. Yay, baby! Come and join me in my adventure. It's nature. Nature, nature, nature. O, diba? Ang ganda lang dito. Katulad ko. Nature na nature. Wait, na-slide ko. Dahil ayan, madilim siya. It's raining. Yay! This is my adventure after the pandemic. Let's go, guys. Come on, join me. I will tour you around my luxurious na airplane. My private jet. My private jet. Peke po yan. Hindi po yan umandar. Nakakala nyo hindi po ako sosyal. Wala po akong service. Naglalakad lang ako here. Tama, guys. Taga bukid na slide na. I wanna go to my private jet. Let's go. It's my private jet. Sagsagad ako. Uy, kapil. Nilabot ang mga people. Oh, it's my private jet. Na hindi umaandar. Ano to? Mountain Safari Tour. Yay! Sana all may sakyanan. Walay apil ang mga people. Diba? Sino to si RP? Sino si RP? RP Joe, what's up, man? Yo, yo, yo. RP Joe. Sino ba si RP Joe? Siya ba may-ari dyan? Pasakay naman ng luxurious ano. Ang ganda here. I like it. It's very, very forestry. Forestry? Anong forestry? Woo! Let's have some adventure. Come on, join me. This is your Witty Bonita. Thank you for watching. Ala, di pa nga nag-intro, nag-thank you for watching na. Hirap mag-vlog pag may kasama. Mga sungot.